All right, we got about 1.5 inches of rain last night. Ground's nice and wet. We're gonna do a little side-by-side Bale UnRoller versus tractor. We're gonna take the four-wheeler and the Bale UnRoller back to where our hay is stacked up on the other side of the trees over there and just kind of see what happens, and then we'll take the tractor along that same route and see if there's any difference. Go back and get the tractor and see if we have any different result. And this is just the mess I made pulling the tractor out of the tractor shed and over to the shop to put some air in the tires. Already got ruts going. So here's where we're going. The Bale UnRoller has already been through here. Not particularly torn up anywhere. The tractor didn't do too much damage through here, but this path is almost a road. We drive through here so much, so it's pretty compacted. So I just moved these two bales up, 1, 2, from back over where our hay is stacked up, back and forth twice. See some ruts there. Not too bad, we could live with that, but we did a number on it back here. All right, here's where we pulled our two bales from. Bare ground, a little bit muddy. That's just from pulling two bales off this stack after 1.5 inches of rain. It's been very dry, so it soaked it up pretty quick. But we don't have to do that if we don't want to. Now we're gonna see what that thing does. You can't even tell we drove through here with the Bale UnRoller on there. You don't have to start your tractor. You don't burn any diesel. That's all you need. So in conclusion, we obviously didn't make a huge mess over there, but it is November. It's been very dry. It had rained less than 2 inches, so it soaked it up pretty quick, but just enough for us to make a few ruts so you can see the difference. But if it was February or March and it had been raining for a week or two, we would make a ruddy, muddy mess trying to get hay out into the pasture with the tractor. So this prevents all that. That's just one of the many benefits to unrolling hay. If you're interested, you can email us, KentRanchTX@gmail.com, or drop a comment and we'll go from there. We are located in North Texas, just a little bit south of Dallas-Fort Worth. We do offer delivery. Thanks for watching.